At Best Reviews, our goal is to help you simplify shopping. We take highly rated products and use them how the average person would, so we can test whether or not they actually live up to the manufacturer's promises. The Braun TriForce Power Blender promises a personalized blending experience that's both fast and intuitive. Today, we're putting it to the test at home to see if it lives up to the hype. Before buying a new blender, it's important you consider how you'll use it. If you plan to make a wide range of dishes, you'll want a blender with various speeds and settings to accommodate different consistencies. The TriForce's 6 automated blend settings made it easy to make smoothies, soups, frozen drinks, sauces, and spreads. We used its 3 eye texture control options to customize our blending consistency further, making it easy to both smooth almond butter and chop onions. It took us only about a minute to assemble the blender. The triangular design makes the pitcher easy to attach and disconnect, and it gives a sleek appearance that looks great on our countertop. At $249, the Braun TriForce has a mid-range price tag, but is it worth it? We love the Braun TriForce's versatility to make a variety of dishes with both preset and manual settings. Its self-cleaning mode makes it easy to move on from one recipe to another. However, while it was easy to set up, there's a learning curve in adapting recipes to the blender. Although it claims to heat soup simultaneously, it took over 6 minutes until our soup was ready to eat. Overall, the TriForce is an effective blender that's easy to use and easy to clean. It's an excellent choice for most users, especially at this price point.